Can you catch redfish on the Gulf Coast in strong winds? Imagine standing on the shoreline, feeling the wind whip around you as you cast your line into the choppy water. It might seem tough, but fishing for redfish on the Gulf Coast in strong winds is definitely possible. Even when the wind blows at 15 to 20 knots or more, redfish stay active and hungry. They often seek shelter in protected spots like ponds, coves, creeks, and along wind-shielded shorelines. These areas calm the water and make fishing easier. Wind can actually help your chances because it stirs up the water, moving baitfish and crustaceans into tighter groups. This makes it easier for redfish to find food. When the water is churning, using lures that create vibration and flash, like gold or bronze spoons, helps attract their attention. Sight fishing becomes harder in high winds because the water surface is rough and casting can be tricky. Instead, focus on long-distance casting with lures that perform well in rough water. Using a trolling motor to move slowly in shallow ponds or protected bays keeps you in productive spots without fighting the wind. Wind direction also plays a role. Winds coming from the east or south tend to push bait and fish into certain areas, so fishing on the leeward side of structures or shorelines can boost your chances. Casting with or across the wind is often easier and more accurate than directly into it. Overall, strong winds on the Gulf Coast do make fishing more challenging, but redfish are still catchable. By targeting protected areas, choosing the right lures, and adjusting your tactics based on wind direction and strength, you can turn windy days into successful fishing trips. Remember, windy conditions can stir up the water and concentrate bait, making redfish more active and easier to find if you adapt your approach. So, don't let the wind scare you off. Use it to your advantage and enjoy the thrill of catching redfish even on gusty days.